Hi everyone, this is a Lippan artwork making video. Here is an 8-inch MDF board on which I am going to create a Lippan artwork, and I will base paint this board in white first so that any color that you apply later is going to look bright and vibrant. I'll now base paint this in white. The board is painted in white. I'm going to let this dry for half an hour and then base paint it in some other color. Now that the base paint of white is fully dry, I'm going to base paint it again in indigo. Now that I have painted this board in indigo, I'm going to let this dry for half an hour before I draw any design on this board. So since the base paint of indigo was dry, I found the center, drew 2 circles and marked angles at 45, 90 and 135 because 0 and 180 falls here. And I drew a very simple petal design. Now I am going to place the clay and then place the mirrors to complete the Lippan artwork. Let's get started now. Now I'll place Fevicol in the outermost circle and then place the clay as well. I have the clay strip here. Let me place on the Fevicol. I'm just adjusting the edges now. So the clay is placed for the outermost circle. Now I'm going to do it for the innermost circle. Now I'll place Fevicol for this. I'll place the clay strips now. So the clay for the innermost circle is also placed. Now I'm going to place the clay for all these petals. I'm going to let this clay dry and Fevicol dry for half an hour and then proceed with painting on the clay and placing the mirrors. Now that the Fevicol and the clay is dry, I'm going to paint the clay with white and then place the mirrors. I'm going to place the Fevicol here so that I can place mirrors later. Now around this, I'm again going to place circular mirrors only, but the smaller ones. Now I'll place mirrors within the petal. So I'll place Fevicol first. Now I'll place some more diamond shaped mirrors here. So I'm placing Fevicol now. I'll place moon-shaped mirrors in this part of the circle. So before placing the mirrors, I'm putting Fevicol. I'll place the mirrors now. I'll place some circular mirrors here. So let me place Fevicol first. Now I'll place the mirrors. I'll place some swipes now. I'm going to keep dots. I'll walk the dots here. I'm sure all of you loved this simple Lippan artwork. Thank you for watching this video.